Now, as promised, let's get all the details now on overseas markets. Bloomberg's Zeb Eckert is in Hong Kong with more. Zeb?
Scarlett, good morning there. Asian stocks finishing the week higher here and recouping some of the declines that we saw last week. Let's get straight to the numbers. Stocks here in Hong Kong leading the gains today. The Hang Seng Index finishing up nearly 4% this week. In Sydney, financials led the markets higher. The ASX 200 index managing a gain of about 0.1% on the week. Now, an improving outlook for industrial profits helping stocks in Shanghai today. And over in Tokyo, stocks eked out gains, even with a fresh report that Japan has returned to deflation. Now, those latest CPI figures out of Japan showing prices dropped by a record in May. Deflation fueled Japan's so-called lost decade, and policymakers there are now eager to avoid it again. These latest CPI figures threatening a recovery in Japan's worst post-war recession. Prices fell 1% from a year earlier. Well, even with a negative outlook in Japan, the IPO market across the Asia-Pac looks strong. Today brought China's first initial public offering in almost a year. China's biggest producer of herbal lozenges, Guilin Sanjin Pharmaceutical, aiming to raise $130 million. It's selling 46 million shares. Now, you may recall China put a stop to public share sales in September to help stabilize its stock markets.